Oh, you YouTube, got this beautiful thing today. I'm just going to try and I'm going to demonstrate it, how it works and all that. I think there's loads of videos. Well, as you can see, I've got some work to do. But hey ho. So this thing is 240 volt AC, and it's one of those staple guns, electric staple guns. Electric welding bumper, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use it for my my NSR 125 because the panels need repairing, as you can see by the pictures. So here's the gun. What everybody shows anyway. Don't worry about it. Real fast post on this. I was really shocked. I was really happy that it came so fast. It come with Hermes. They must have done it for next day delivery. So let's plug this in, because what I want to see is how hot this actually goes. So we're plugged in. Right underneath here you got right, that's just fell off. Right, so underneath here you got the parts. There's supposed to be 50 in each packet. I'm not going to count them, obviously. Right, so let's just get one out. Because I only want one just to try it out. So the object is you push that into there and into there into place. Make sure it's completely plumbed in. Make sure it's nice and in there. And then you press the button and this thing should get hot and start glowing. Well, the light's on and I'm waiting. Well, can you see that? So it's not getting hot, and now look at that. I'm actually touching on my finger. It's not getting hot. Well, it's buzzing inside as if it's working, but it's not doing nothing. The light is on. I'm not getting nothing. That's bad. Okay, let's try a different one maybe. Let's try a different one. I don't think that's the problem, but I'll try anything. Right, so we're going for this one, the letter M. Right, this is a thinner one by the feels of it, a lot thinner by the feels of it. Well, really I want them zigzags. So it's in there, here we go, we're going to fire it up again now. And nothing. Am I getting that? Yeah, nothing. Absolutely nothing. The light's on, the power's there, but nothing. I can't. Right, well, there's a bit of plastic what I was going to just play with. Yeah, see, a bit of plastic and a plastic lid basically. I was going to just mess with. Maybe I've got to put pressure on it, maybe? No, absolutely nothing. Well, I'm going to have to contact the eBay seller, I suppose. Really somewhat disappointed with that. I was really looking forward to start using it and playing with it, to get the hang of it, but well, you can see for yourself, it don't look like I'm going to be doing that, does it? So now I suppose I've got the pain in the arse of sending it back to the seller and, oh God, getting him to send me another one and mess about. But I don't know if I'm doing right, but that is right in the hole. It's right in the holes. Perfect. All the way in the holes, you can see that. Can you see that? Right the way in the hole. How it's supposed to be. Turn it on. And nothing, look. Absolutely nothing. Dead as a dodo. I'm really... God, I'm so disappointed with that. The light's working and everything else is there, but... Well, look, you can see yourself. It's doing absolutely nothing. No, yeah, not. No, nothing. Light's there. I'm pulling the trigger all the way back and all the way forward. Maybe if I variate it, maybe. No, that's not doing it. Oh God, I'm so disappointed. Okay, well that's... well, what can I say? I'm going to have to give this a negative for now. Maybe when I get a replacement or whatever from the seller, then I can do the review better. And at the moment it's big thumbs down to me, mate. I'm not happy with that at all.